Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Sienna's front wiper blades. This simple maintenance task is crucial for maintaining clear visibility and ensuring safety on the road, especially during inclement weather. You will need new wiper blades, a soft towel to protect your windshield, and possibly a small flathead screwdriver for certain blade types. Let's get started and make sure your view is always crystal clear. First, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. It is very important to place a soft towel or cloth on your windshield beneath the arm to prevent accidental damage if the arm snaps back. Next, locate the small locking tab or clip where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab and slide the old blade down or out of the J-hook attachment point to remove it. Now take your new wiper blade. Most Toyota Siennas use a J-hook style arm. Align the new blade's connector with the J-hook. Slide the blade up into the hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it is securely locked. Once the new blade is attached, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the passenger side wiper blade. With both new blades installed, it's time for a quick test. Turn on your vehicle and activate the wipers with some windshield washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and provide a streak-free clean. Remember to always replace both front wiper blades at the same time for optimal and balanced performance. Also, check your owner's manual for the correct blade sizes, as they can vary. Inspect your blades every 6 to 12 months for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.